Hi there, welcome to the Zapiet Academy. Today I'll show you how to integrate Shopify inventory. By default, all of your Zapiet locations will be available to your customers. If you want to show only the locations that you have the product available, you will need to integrate your Shopify inventory with Zapiet Pickup and Delivery. This way, we can display only the pickup locations that have the required inventory available at the time of ordering. Please note, you will need to be on the Zapiet Pro plan or higher. Also, you shouldn't fulfill any of the order's line items or archive the orders automatically. First, let's enable the integration. In Zapiet Pickup and Delivery, click Settings, then Inventory. Connect Shopify Inventory. Here, you need to connect your Zapiet locations to your Shopify locations. Once you've made all the changes, click Save. Your inventory integration is now enabled, but the first import of your inventory may take up to an hour. After the initial synchronization, any inventory changes should be reflected in a matter of seconds. As pickup inventory is enabled by default, let's take a look at the delivery inventory. Enable delivery inventory and click Save. When connected, the behavior in our widget will depend on the delivery validation method you're using. If you're using postcode matching and your customers enter the postal code of a location that doesn't have the item in stock, then they will not be able to check out. If you're using maximum distance or radius, then the closest location with the product in stock will be selected. And if no locations have the product in stock, your customers will not be able to check out. You can edit the wording of this error message in the text and design settings. Now let's take a look at the fulfillment settings. You will need to choose how your orders are fulfilled, which will affect when the order gets assigned to the correct location. Shipping is not connected to a location, so shipping orders will be fulfilled from the priority location in Shopify. For pickup and delivery, you can automatically fulfill new orders or mark orders as fulfilled once they're picked up or dispatched. Please note, both settings should not be enabled at the same time. We recommend enabling automatic fulfillment of new orders. The order will be made in Shopify, processed in our app, and then nearly instantly fulfilled from the location selected in the widget. In this case, you will not be able to edit the order in Shopify. We recommend managing orders in Zapiet Pickup and Delivery. Alternatively, you can fulfill orders once they're picked up. Disable automatic fulfillment and click Settings, then Store Pickup. Tick Mark as Fulfilled Once Picked Up field and click Save. When the customer collects the order, Zapiet will force Shopify to fulfill this order from the correct location and adjust the stock. You can also enable Mark as Fulfilled Once Dispatched setting for your local delivery orders. In Zapiet Pickup and Delivery, open your local delivery settings. Tick Mark as Fulfilled Once Dispatched field and click Save. When the order is on its way, Zapiet will force Shopify to fulfill this order from the correct location and adjust the stock. Please note, overselling is still possible, mainly due to abandoned carts and customers sitting in the checkout. For a full list of limitations and more information, take a look at our article in the description below. If you have any questions, please reach us at support@zapiet.com and we'll be happy to help.